So let's continue to work on this chart here. I'll make it a little bit bigger so we can see it better. Notice in the Format sidebar on the left under Chart there are a variety of different styles, and I could select one and it will change to that style. You could also make your own changes. So I've got chart colors here and I could select any of these color sets. I can do some textured images and other types of textures as well. There's a lot to choose from here. I can make lots of little changes here, like I can do rounded corners for the bars, just for the tops there maybe. I can work on the gaps between them. I can work on the background and border style. I can do shadows for the bars. There's a lot I could do. I could also change the chart type to one of those other types I saw there before. So for instance, I can go from 2D column to 3D column. We'll stick with the basic one for now. I could go into axis here and I could work on both the X and the Y axis, whether or not the name is shown, the lines are shown. The values, how many lines are there? 4 major lines. If I want 8, you can see now I have 8 major lines there. You even go with a logarithmic scale rather than a linear scale. So there's a lot of different things that you can do to alter the look of a table. You can go into series here, change labels for things. So I can add number labels to it so you can actually see the number on it. I can actually add things like trend lines. Basically, this is a really rich set of settings that you can play with to get the type of chart that you want.